Hello, my name is John Fidel and I'm the General Manager here at Gemin3 Air Conditioning. Gemin3 is a family-owned business with over 10 years experience in residential and commercial air conditioning, installation and maintenance solutions. We work with well-known brands such as Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Daikin, Actron Air and Fujitsu, just to name a few. We pride ourselves on delivering an air conditioning system that will benefit our clients for many years to come and going above and beyond with a quality service and affordable pricing. We have helped thousands of customers Sydney-wide and will continue to offer our services for many years to come. Pherrus Financial Services have been instrumental in the growth of our business. The team at Pherrus assists our business not just with general compliance with regards to taxation requirements, but what really sets them apart from other accounting firms is that we get the advice and support we need to grow. We've been through tough times during the COVID pandemic, and the business advice and direction we received was just outstanding. We've come out stronger with a clear view ahead of our business strategy and growth plans, and how to maintain and protect our assets. If you're looking for an accounting firm to help grow your business and grow your wealth, you cannot go wrong with Pherrus Financial Services. Gemin3 is much better off having Pherrus as our partner. We look forward to working together with the team at Pherrus Financial Services for many years to come.